June 5th. Another vlog. I'm going to work. Jeez. That's so unfortunate. I wouldn't doubt this lady's running for this bus. Like, she probably needs to go to work. And it's like, that bus didn't even acknowledge the fact that that lady's running. I've been in that situation, but like skated. And I've skated to the bus and like, yeah, I've made it. Just that little bit. I don't know. It's a Sunday. I got a new schedule. I'm not working Friday nights now. I'm working Friday mornings to help my uncle. Because, yeah, it's very hard for a dishwasher to work a night and then come back in the morning and work that morning. Since we got to make fries and patties and shit. No, but this monstrosity, I hope they can make it. Like, McDonald's should be able to fucking make an Oreo McFlurry and whip up a fucking apple pie up in that bitch. That'd be delicious.
And I think that'd be a great experience. And all you have to do is go to
Well, if you go to like some random ass like spot like stream or something, it's just
vaporizers, all your
yeah, can I get a Oreo McFlurry, but are you able to put like an apple pie inside it?
And hey, don't drive dirty, Dave. Whether it's keeping up to date on news, staying in touch with
So you want the Oreo McFlurry with the apple pie inside it?
Sí, adentro, inside. Could you do that? They better. I hope so. I hope so.
Okay, man. So you want an Oreo McFlurry with?
So you want? So what do you want?
All I want is the Oreo McFlurry, but I know you have to you mix the Oreo McFlurry with the spoon. Could you just put the apple pie inside the cup?
So no Oreos and then you want the apple pie inside?
No, Oreos too. I want
Oreos as well and then add apple pie?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is that possible?
Yeah, I could do that.
Sweet. Can I get one with a large fry?
She'll take you at first one now.
All right, sweet.
wait,
A
hold it.
large french fry and what else?
That.
Yeah, that and the water.
Yeah.
The water?
Dude.
So I have an Oreo McFlurry with an apple pie, a large fry and the water?
Yes.
$5.59 first window. Sorry about that.
You're good. So fucking crazy. I really feel that this is gonna taste amazing. Yeah. Look at that, it's inside. Oh yes. The apple pie is inside. We gotta get these large fries up in there. Thank you. You get it. They're all like, what?
Not the windows. I have a working AC. It's time for me to utilize it.
It's good to utilize a working AC. If this freaking video had smell-o-vision, you guys would be smelling
Fuck!
Mickey D's fries.
Can't do it. Just the back. Oh, I gotta be a waste.
It would kind of be a waste. I don't know how it tastes yet. I'm gonna try it right now. Take most of this ice cream off because I'm not gonna get that much of the fucking apple pie that's in there, but oh my god. Apple pie time, some apple pie action.
Dude, the challenges, like, do they do
Wow.
most of the challenges? Or
What?
do they do most of the challenges? Like,
Some of them, yeah. Well, they try to. Guys,
or like, take tequila.
this is fucking amazing.
Damn it, there's a chance for that.
Here, you get at that.
Yes, it'll be.
That beast. You ask McDonald's to fucking put an apple pie with the Oreo McFlurry, and they will question you. They'll be like, what? But they'll do it. They'll be like, for sure. Oh, God.
Did you hear it? It's pretty well.
Mm-hmm. Do you think it's alright or no? Do you like it?
I can dig it.
I like this. I really do like it. You get pieces of Oreo McFlurry in the apple pie. And I knew they'd be able to do it because, like, this spoon is the machine to mix the freaking.
Not even a large fry.
Yeah, it's a big ass. Yeah, it's a large fry. Like I said, if there was smell-o-vision, you guys would be able to, like, smell these fries. It's pretty good fries. What a time to be alive.
I was thinking too, like, is she gonna crush it? I'm like, yes, she crushed it. She's awesome.
Like, they have to crush it in a sense, because that spoon, it hooks onto the machine. It hooks onto the machine. Yeah. Or so I've heard from the people that, like, I know that work there.
I can see why it looks like that now.
Yeah. But all my life, I've thought the McFlurry, like, spoons were like a straw because of that hole.
Oh. Did you ever try it?
Yeah, I always, like, as a kid, like, tried to suck.
Never worked?
Yeah, nothing would ever come up. But try it. Tell me what you guys think, because
Did you think they were broken?
it was delicious. Oh no, I was just like disappointed as a child. I'm like, because there was that hole on the side, but it's like, nothing would come up. It was very delicious, man. Go to a fucking Mickey D's, tell them what's up. They'll be like, what? Delicious.
What? Where's the
Beautiful downtown Denver. And all they put on the receipt was one Oreo McFlurry. That's it. They didn't even put the apple pie in it. Like, yeah, we got some fries and a water, but they didn't put the apple pie. They're like, yeah, it doesn't need to be in there. We're crushing it. We're making this apple pie our bitch today. He doesn't work there no more, I don't think.
I've never put that on. Oh, but no. Like, the thing that I thought was weird was, like, the amount of, like, no real supervision on the employees that was there. It's just pretty funny. Because, like, they drank, gotten high in there, they did all kinds of shit.
That's awesome.
I know, right? You know what this means, Jesse?
What does this mean?
Free parking.
Free parking every Sunday. Yeah, did you want me to throw this shit away?
Do you have a skateboard that I can use?
No.
Do you have a skateboard?
There's that one in the back.
I'm gonna use it.
Why? Oh, God. That feels so disgusting.
Good. Oh, wait. I kind of really want to skate with this.
With what?
Fucking window.
What are you talking about?
Hey, look at that jackass. He has this fucking, whatchamacallit open.
Oh, fuck. He does have his gas cap open. Dumbass.
Like, holy shit. He is, like,
But yeah, why? Would you need your,
Hey!
Oi!
Hey!
Oi!
Your gas cap! Your gas cap!
He's like, what? Fucking retards. You can see his gas cap's open. It's like, goodness, guys. You don't want to, like, have some crazy shit go down, you know?
Like, I've left it open, but I have never, like, forgotten the thing.
But you've noticed, you know.
Yeah, like, I left the door, the latch open.
So you wanted to use my board?
Sorry about that. Indeed, yes.
Were you gonna bring it back?
Huh?
Are you gonna bring it back?
Well, of course not, Jesse. I'm gonna fucking take it home and burn it in, like, the memory of you, because you're gonna die tonight, okay?
That would be such a trip, you saying that, and what if it's something accidentally happened? But no. Good job. You can borrow it, I don't give a fuck. Yeah, I could die tonight.
You can die now from clotted arteries at the age of 19.
Mm-hmm.
Oh wait, aren't you 20 now?
I've been 20 for like,
You're a fucking piece of shit, bitch.
I've been 20 for the past like 6 months.
Yes. Well, that's
No,
yes.
5.
It's not even.
3 months, dude. God, that's stupid. I'm all like 5 months, 6 months. Yeah. This is that work vlog. I'm going to work, you guys. Later. The life of the wife was ended by the dishwasher. It's hella beautiful today. Sorry if that was bright. Later, guys.